conversations and gain human interaction. Even now, so many people appear to be constantly attached to their devices, and we see a generation of kids being pacified and parented by their screens. Our children are losing the basic skills of how to connect with others. And it wasn't until I sat at the bottom of my stairs with an ice cream being placed on my head that I too realised that I had fallen into this trap. I can remember that moment very clearly. Moments earlier, I was reaching for my coffee to help me wake up, exhausted after another